Ready? Go. Hillside Farm? Oh yeah, Hillside Farm. Woo! So unit 18, mate.
It's a right little place for
yeah.
Just, old boy's getting excited. Have you seen the Escort? He knows where we're off to. He's giving us the big thumb. I like the ramp, old school. A couple of bits of 2x3.
That little Fiat. It's pretty smart. Yo, 14.
Sort of sign saying 12 to 18 around here. Yeah,
It's a Porsche. Oh mate, slow down. Just stop here a minute. That Merc. Dip. Cool. So he must be right on the end then. Yeah, I'm presuming that's his forklift. It's got to be in it. Yeah, 18. Sweet.
So what do you reckon, Trav? How's it looking?
Where do we start?
With the holes.
Hey, look.
I thought that was factory.
Lovely MOT repair. Sills. And the other side. Yeah, that's good. Now it's the bottom. But we knew that was going to have new sills on it anyway.
Yeah.
Floor is a little bit holy, isn't it? In there.
It's a bit Fred Flintstone.
Yeah, battery tray's nice and nice.
What, worse than you thought? Oh yeah, look. Rear sills doesn't show up very well because of the sunlight, but
It's fine. Obviously the spare wheel well is rotten.
I'm surprised it's still there, to be honest. Looking at how bad it was, even before we got the paint off it.
So we just need to get it back now and go around it.
Yep.
Well, obviously we need the sills, but do we need the spare wheel well? I'm not so sure. Especially doing with what we're doing with it. So what do you think overall?
So good, so yeah, we've just been up to sodablaster.co.uk who blasted and epoxy primed this, and I've got to say, well, it's highlighted a few areas that I didn't realise were quite so bad, that were worse than I was expecting.
Floor.
Namely the floor and the sills. I didn't realise the sills were going to be, but you did, didn't you?
Mate, yeah, I knew the sills were going to be pretty bad. And the arches. I knew the arches were bad, you could see that. That was all crusty in here.
But there was obviously a load of seam sealer and
Yeah, covering it. Obviously,
stone chip.
the sills look like they've been hammered in a little bit. And all that was fillered over. A bit of a dodgy patch going on the end here. A few places like the scuttle. The end here is rusty. We knew about the windscreen
Yeah, you could see that, couldn't you?
rot, didn't we?
Yeah,
We knew that.
on the scuttle.
I'm just gonna
Jump up there.
yeah, that's we knew we had to sort this out. Battery tray looks good though.
It's awesome, it's just ready for an MOT in there, isn't it? So the plan is with this, so talking with Trav, we've decided that we're going to move the battery so it won't be in the front of the engine anyway, or behind the engine, it'll be probably in the boot now.
Keep the bay tidy.
So we'll just clear that, tidy that all up and just put nice sheet of steel in there.
Yeah. Apart from that, mate, the engine mate's pretty decent, isn't it?
Really?
Tops are good. These are nice and solid, which is good. Inner wings are nice and strong as well. They're pretty solid. Mate, but that's what I was saying. Like, we'll get the engine unboxed and we'll get it in. And then, like, this just looks like it's been shot with a shotgun, doesn't it?
Oh, what you mean with all the holes? Yeah.
All the little holes, mate.
Well, I think Ford did that as a lightning exercise, didn't they, to make their cars a little bit lighter.
Bit of weight saving.
Yeah, so we'll put some poly filler in there
Yeah.
and be done with it.
Yeah, you will. I'll be digging it out.
Yeah, so we can...
But yeah,
You're right. I think we... Yes. Blank all that off.
Yeah, we need to obviously get the engine unboxed in. You know, get the mounts in as well. Because obviously, you know, we're probably not going to need certain brackets and that as well. Keep on the steering the same, so this will stay. Obviously, that's for your wiper motor. Probably keep the heater box and all the heater matrix and all that in, won't we? Like we just said, battery goes here, but we're just going to cut this out and just use a, you know, flat bit of tin just to weld in there, make that nice. Keep it decent. Front panel, a little bit of rot around the end of the chassis legs, is it? Well, I suppose so. Sort of inner outer wings.
Obviously with the bumper mounts onto it, it's obviously a bit of a spot here where crap can build up. Just sits there.
That's probably because it's behind the bumper, isn't it? So yeah, we'll don't think you'll get, well, might get a front panel. I'm not sure. We'll have to have a look. Yes, we need to get a big list of parts put together for this now. We know we've got to get sills, wings, front panel, back panel, whatever we're going to do. Engine gearbox, so it's just accumulating a load of parts now, so we can crack on with getting this thing closer to getting the engine in.